Your gradebook is directly connected to what your students will see when they select grades in their left-hand navigation. In order to keep what they see on track with what they have turned in, you will need to be able to manage and keep it up to date. Knowing some basic shortcuts will help you manage it more efficiently. Click on the Grades link to view the class gradebook. To set a default grade that will be given to all students, hover over the assignment name and click the down arrow icon. Select Set Default Grade. Enter in a value to be the default. If you would like all students to receive the same grade and some have already been entered, you can click on the checkbox to overwrite already entered grades. Click on the Set Default Grade button and all students will be given the same grade. After an assignment can no longer be submitted, it is a good idea to set the default grade as 0 without overwriting previously entered grades, so that students' grades will reflect missing that assignment. To view grades for students in a specific section, select the button in the upper right-hand corner that says Showing All Sections. The drop-down menu will bring up all sections of your course. Choose the section you would like to view. To view all students again, reselect the Showing All Sections option from the drop-down menu. If you would like to rearrange your assignment columns, hover your mouse over the assignment name that you would like to move, left-click and hold, then drag the assignment to its new location. Another way to arrange the columns is by assignment due date. On the Settings drop-down menu, choose the Arrange Columns by Due Date option. You may also be interested in sorting the gradebook by a particular row to see the sequential order of scores or easily note the students who did the best or worst on a particular assignment. To do so, simply click anywhere within the cell of the assignment title, avoiding the actual title and the column drop-down menu. You may need to click and drag between column headers to make the column big enough to click in without clicking on the title. While the gradebook is sorted by a particular column, the title of that column will appear italicized. To add notes to a particular student that only the instructors can see, click on the gear icon in the upper right. The last option in the drop-down menu is Show Notes column. Your private notes column will show up next to the column showing the A number. To view the grade report for an individual student, click on the student's name. You will now be able to view the student's additional details for each assignment. By clicking on the conversation bubbles, you will be able to see if there were any comments for the assignment written by you, your TAs, or the student. You'll also be able to see where the student's grade was for that particular assignment compared to their classmates by clicking on the Check Plus icon. To see how the student was scored for each rubric criterion and notes that were made documenting why it was graded the way it was, click on the bulleted list at the far right of each assignment. This grade page can be printed if necessary. To return to the gradebook, click on your browser's back button or click on the Grades link on the top or left of your screen. An alternate way of seeing a single student's grade is by filtering his or her name at the top left of the gradebook. When there is a score that shows as a percentage, holding your mouse over the percentage will bring up a window that will show the raw score. This gradebook overview was meant to help you manage your gradebook. The students will see their grades as you keep up-to-date records in the gradebook. Make sure that you follow the tips you have learned in this video.